Hi, this is Dr. Pan, host of Tucson Math Doc channel on YouTube. We have an interesting problem to solve here. This typically is a quadratic in disguise. Let's see how that happens. So I have a sine x over cosine x. I'm just expanding everything out. Cosine x over sine x equal to 5. This is 1 over cosine x. Okay, so if it's a secant x, it's 1 over cosine x. C and s is always opposite. Okay, from there, let's multiply sine and cosine, sine x, cosine x on both sides. Sine x, cosine x. I'm getting rid of the fractions here. So cosine cancels. I have sine squared plus 3 cosine squared x equal to 5 sine x. Okay, so starting to look like a quadratic here. Since I have a sine and sine, I'm going to replace this one as 1 minus sine squared x, okay, because sine x squared plus cosine x squared is equal to 1. Okay, now let's combine this. I have a 1 here, I have a minus 3, so I have minus 2 sine squared x plus 3 minus 5 sine x. Okay, let's distribute the sine minus sine over, so it's plus 5 sine x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, I have a 2 here. Let's make sure I got all the signs right. It's plus 5. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to factor this. We have a sine x. Okay, I'm going to write it down this way. 2, and I have a 3 over here. I'll have a plus and minus 1 here. I'm going to cross multiply and add. Okay, if you don't see this one, that's all right. So basically, multiply up and down, I should get this one. Multiply up and down, I should get this one. When I cross multiply, I should have sine x, which is minus plus 6 sine of x, which give me my sine x times 5. Okay, so when I factor this one, then the answer becomes sine x plus 3 times 2 sine x minus 1 equal to 0. Here's my factor. This one, of course, cannot be equal to 0 because sine x is bounded by not possible. Sine x is bounded by plus minus 1. Okay, this, however, is possible. Sine x minus 1 equal to 0. And let's go solve that one. Sine x is equal to 1.5. Okay, and pi over 6, and combination of it. So sine of x, let's draw a sine curve. There's a couple ways. You can either draw the sine curve or you can draw a unit circle. I draw a sine curve over here. Now we're looking for sine x equal to half. It's bounded on top at 1, so here's half. So pi over 6 is one of them. Okay, and then pi minus, so this is 5 pi over 6. So on your unit circle, 5 pi over 6. On your unit circle, y value is the sine number, so half. So you have a 30 degrees here. Okay, and you also have a, here's 30. So you have a 30 here, which is pi over 6. Pi over 6. Okay, over 6. And you also have this bigger angle, which is 180 minus 30. Which is equal to 150, and that's 5. If you want converted, it's actually 5 pi over 6, but let's see if we can convert it. Okay. Divided by 3 here, I have a 5. Divided by 3 here, I have a 6. Okay, so it's 5 over 6 pi. So here is your answer. And if you want to have, this is between 0 to 2 pi. Okay, if you want to write even in more complete answer, if it doesn't ask you to stay on a 0 to 2 pi, then x is equal to pi over 6 plus 2n pi, and equal to 0, 1, so on and so forth, and x also equal to 5 pi over 6 plus 2n pi, because it repeats 2 and 3, so on and so forth. Okay, so here's the answer. All right, hope this helped. Have a confident day.